Chair just ruled on a motion to cite in contempt General Wilkins Villanueva. And this was duly seconded, and there was no objections recorded, and the motion was carried. But in a huddle between my co-chairs, we were discussing as to where we will detain General Wilkins Villanueva to serve the contempt order by this committee. But before that, our senior deputy speaker has signified his intention to make a manifestation. So at this point, I'd like to recognize Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales for his manifestation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, because the